Hi all, I just wanted to share this quick tutorial for IMVU.com and the new feature they have on IMVU.com. IMVU has a new streaming URL feature. If you order from ZEE-Ahn streams for DJ or radio streams, you can use your listen URL in your room, or streaming rooms as they call it. First, you must be an IMVU VIP or have a paid room on IMVU to use this feature. This is simple to set up and use on IMVU.com. First off, if you have a stream from ZEE-Ahn Streams LLC, log into your Sino VA cast profile and go to quick links sections and copy your secure SSL and TLS tune in link. Now log into your IMVU account and let's just say you have a VIP or paid chat room on IMVU. When you log into IMVU, you will see on the top, far right side, little boxes, and one box has symbols of a play button, pause button, called media controls, and play media and radio streaming. Make sure the toggle button is toggled over till it is green, and paste the stream URL from your Centova. Cast and press load. You see off air along with your stream URL on the bottom. You see a play and stop button. Press play and your stream be heard in your IMVU streaming room, and it will say radio streaming in progress. Congratulations, you're streaming your DJ stream on IMVU.com. Thanks for watching, and this has been another video tutorial from ZEE-Ahn Streams LLC.
Experience the power of ZEE-Ahn Streams, 24/7 radio streaming and hosting services. Introducing ZEE-Ahn Streams, the premier internet company for DJ streaming and internet radio hosting services. Located in Palo Alto, California, USA. Contact us at ZEEAHNstreams.com.